I feel like I'm 18 wheeler. Grazie. Morning in Tuscany, and I'm going to do a little bit of a house tour just to show you the place that I'm staying at. I've shown the outside already, I think. Anyways, this is the kitchen area. It just has everything you need. This is the refrigerator and the freezer as well. We cooked dinner last night, so we used some pots and pans. But it's literally just cutie and simple. Here is the restroom or bathroom. Of course, in Italy, you have your bidet and your toilet, a nice standing shower, a mirror, sink, very simple. This is a glimpse of the room my mom stayed in. She only slept in one of these beds and let me have the bigger room. Love her for that. The bathroom once again. The room I stayed in. Very simple, but everything you need. Ignore the bedding. I'm just checking one more time. I'm not leaving anything behind. And yes, what a lovely stay. And you just can't beat this view. Like, are you kidding me? But goodbye to the house. I'm eating a little, did they call them cold cuts here? I'm eating a little salami.
Spicy salami.
Spicy salami. It's so good. Goodbye to the little house in Tuscany. It wasn't little, but the house in Tuscany what we stayed at. It was so nice. It was so beautiful, so peaceful, so serene. We're gonna go to the post office because we have to mail something off that can't go into my luggage. And then we're going to go back over to my friend's house, chill by the pool for a couple of hours before we head back to Rome. So everything worked out. Left the post office and I tried to ship some olive oil that I was gifted, but I tried to ship it back to my home, and the lady at the post office was like, girl, you can't send it. It gotta be in a tin or a can. You can't send glass bottles, I guess. I was like, that's fair. Maybe next time. I'm just gonna gift it to my friends and hopefully they'll like it. I should get another one just to taste it. Another drink? Do you want this cheese? I'll take some.
Yes.
Some little meatballs and spinach, some cheese, some bread, and some salami. Came back to the scene of the crime. Guess who left their shoes behind? I did. Thank you. I mean, grazie. Yummy. My gelato, hold on, let me put, I've used some of it already. but it's so good. The little gelato cart is so cute. I'm quite pleased. Could I please get a pistachio and lemon again, please?
Pistachio and lemon.
Yes. And what time are you all leaving today?
Oh,
3. Okay.
3:30.
3:30. Okay. Grazie. So we actually started going on the road, and we're at a gas station / rest stop. So much beautiful farmland behind us, but we're taking a little restroom break, stretching, because we were getting a little sleepy there, just like being out in the sun earlier today. But we're getting back on the road, and then we're gonna go drop off our rental car. Probably just head straight to the airport. I don't know what the vibes are gonna be like, but we'll see. The sun is like right in my eye. Okay, so we're about to drop off the car, but we have to fill the tank all the way up. Is the car still on? No. But this time we're doing it ourselves because we know we use diesel for this car. Go ahead, Mom. You got this. Because I don't know what I'm doing. I know how to pump gas. I've done it before. But yeah. Does it look like she knows what she's doing? We were about to pay first. The guy was like, don't pay first. You pay me.
I feel like I'm filling up an 18-wheeler.
You are filling up an 18-wheeler.
Like I feel it. It's vibrating. I just don't want to spill it on myself.
We're at Tam Oil, y'all. I know I should probably not have my phone out here, but oh well. The lighting's great.